Welcome back, Second Chance JDM, episode 4. Today we have this pink Volkswagen kitted Suzuki, I think, Every. It's pretty nice. Check it out. I'll have to be careful of that writing. The stickers are probably kind of weak. It's quite dirty. The windows need to be cleaned. But overall, the car's pretty cool. Really small. Definitely a Japanese girl's car. Bling bling. I've personally never seen one of these in Japan, but I've told they're pretty popular. As always, pressure washing the door jambs just takes a second, but it really adds a lot to the overall effect when the owner opens up the car and sees that, you know, you took the extra step to make it as clean as possible. The snow foam that I'm using here is from Autobrite. It's just something I picked up on Amazon. I've been using it in all the videos I've posted so far. The Volkswagen emblem on the front, as well as this back light and the whole back door, basically needed some extra attention to get rid of the water stains on it. Something that's probably never been done is cleaned in the moldings. So I took the soft bristle brush and really got in there. It made a huge difference. Now, after using the Meguiar's synthetic wax, it's got a nice shine to it that it definitely didn't have before. It's actually my first time using the wax. Sorry, this was your trial on the Every, but it shines pretty nicely. So next I'm gonna hit the chrome parts with some others. My expired Florida driver's license. Nice, like a mirror. I use the Chemical Guys VRP. This stuff is great. It smells awesome. It leaves an awesome shine, awesome feel. It's not sticky. I highly recommend this. This is super expensive to get in Japan. We'll just apply it, leave it like that. There you have it. Now the headlights aren't so bad. There's no yellowing. So what I'm gonna do is just try to hit them with some compound myself by hand and see if I can clean it up a little bit. Just using the 3M compound. Yeah, that alone was enough to make it look brand new. This one's still a little hazy. Hit this really quick. Behind the door handles here, I just used compound and rub to try to get the scratch marks from when the owner would open up the door. Because it's a girl, I assume she has long nails and there was a lot of scratches, but if you just rub it with the compound, it can get pretty clean. as I was continuing to clean the car, I could realize that the painted interior was kind of brittle and fragile, so I had to really be careful about how hard I pressed, and I wanted to make sure I didn't scratch it, obviously, but the overall interior was pretty clean to begin with. The mats on this car were thick rubber, so I didn't really have to steam clean any stains away. It made the overall job a lot quicker. besides being on a time crunch, I didn't need to remove the seats because they didn't need to be steam cleaned, and underneath of them there really cannot get dirt, so I was able to just do them inside the car and made the job a lot quicker. After cleaning these mats with the all-purpose cleaner, I just used the chemical Guys VRP to give it that nice shine.